Alright, again, it's Coach Chad, no? For this video, tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-withdraw ng dividend natin. Okay, so check muna natin itong poll. Then, as of now, meron akong 64.85 poll. Okay, so 64.85 poll. So, tandaan natin yan. Tapos mag-withdraw tayo ng dividend sa poll. Okay, so click natin discover, then search natin yung dashboard natin dito, poll. Yan, pakiantay lang. Then click natin yung tatlong dots sa taas sa right side para ma-change natin yung network. Okay, so click natin yung polygon. Check natin ulit natin. Yan, polygon. Okay. So, click connect wallet. Ayan. Connected na yung wallet natin, no? So as of now, November 2, 2024, okay? So, right now, meron lang akong dalawang invite. Tapos, total matrix earning is 135.6 poll. Then total dividend earnings 57.84 poll. Then new dividends available 27.21 poll. Okay, so click natin yung withdraw para ma-withdraw natin yung new dividends available. Okay, so yung dividend, yung poll natin sa Trust Wallet is nasa 66 poll. Okay, so kung i-withdraw natin itong new dividends available na 27.22, matadagdag yan dun sa Trust Wallet natin. Okay, so click natin yung withdraw button. So click approve and password. Ayan. So antay natin mag-zero yung new dividend available. So ayan, naglo-load yung withdrawing dividends. So ayan, nag-zero na ulit. So antay natin matapos tong loading na to. Wag muna tayong pipindot ng kung ano-ano. Okay, so ayan, as you can see, kaka-withdraw lang natin ng new dividend available. So nag-zero na siya. Ngayon meron ulit laman na 0.00117 poll. Okay, so kaka-withdraw lang natin yan. So every minutes parang pumapatak yung poll dito sa poll pool. Okay, yan o, madagdag na naman. So check natin kung pumasok yung withdraw natin na dividend. Okay, so 64.85, boom, ayun, naging 92.0824 poll. Okay, so ganun lang kalupit dito sa poll pool. Okay, ayun, pumasok na sa drop spot. Okay, so ito yung drop spot na to is ito yung history ng Trust Wallet mo na connected sa poll pool. Ayan o, kitang-kita receipt. Okay, so ganun lang. Ayan. Yan. So yun, na-withdraw na natin yung dividend natin. Okay, that's it for now. Again, this is Coach Chad. Bye for now.